How to calculate NPV using the XNPV formula in Excel. In one of our last videos, we explained calculating the NPV in Excel. All we do is apply the discount rate on the forecast free cash flow, and this formula in Excel does all the work for us and calculates the net present value. But what if these cash flows only sometimes occur 1 year in sequence with each other but at different cash flow dates? To address this topic, Excel has a formula called XNPV, and it's similar to XIRR, so all we do is enter the formula XNPV. What is the discount rate we're going to use? What are the forecast free cash flows? And what are the cash flow dates of these forecasted free cash flows? Here we go. The XNPV calculates the discounted present value of these estimates of free cash flows by considering the 10% discount rate and the timing of the free cash flows. As you can see, by taking into account the timing, we get a different result than the standard NPV formula. That's all the magic there is to it. XNPV also considers the cash flow days similar to the XIR formula to make this calculation more precise. Visit our website and follow us for more.